Adapt or adopt. Vocabulary activator. Menu. Click an image to go to the section. Transitive verbs. Transitive verbs take an object. That is, when we use them in a sentence, we must use them in the structure subject, verb, object. Transitive verbs need an object to complete the sentence and only make sense if the action of the verb has an object to act upon. An example of a transitive verb is to throw. He threw the ball. Notice that without the direct object, the ball, the sentence doesn't make sense. He threw. We're left asking, what did he throw? We can also use an object of a preposition, to me. He threw a ball to me. Some verbs can be both transitive and intransitive, but will have a difference of meaning. Intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs don't need an object. When we use intransitive verbs in a sentence, we can use them in the structure subject-verb. Intransitive verbs don't need an object to complete the sentence and make perfect sense without an object. An example of an intransitive verb is to run. He ran. Notice that no object is required here for the sentence to make sense. We could put an object of a preposition in the sentence, as in, he ran to the shops. But we don't need a direct object for the verb to act upon. Adapt. Adapt has both a transitive and an intransitive form. When it's transitive, it means to change something so it can be used for a different purpose, as in, the play was adapted from the original book. When it's intransitive, it means to change your beliefs or behaviour so as to fit into a new situation or condition, as in, those businesses which can adapt to the challenges of COVID will survive, while those businesses which can't adapt will not. Adopt. Adopt has several meanings but is always transitive. Adopt can mean to legally take a child into your own family and raise it as your own, as in, they decided to adopt a baby from Africa. Adopt can mean to choose and follow a theory, idea, policy, strategy, religion or plan, as in, he decided to adopt the Buddhist religion. Adopt can mean to choose another city or country in which to live and call home, as in, Seville is my adopted city and Spain is my adopted country. Reading practice. Now read the text you just listened to. Activator. Now we'll activate the vocabulary you've learnt in this lesson with a series of questions.